What is my rapid gang? In this video, I'm going to save you time. I'm going to save you energy, and I'm going to save you money. And I'm also going to help you decide which of your songs is actually the one that you should spend the time and energy making a music video for. Because I know we get excited, we want to make a video for every song, but unfortunately, that's actually a huge mistake, and that's what this video is for. So pay attention. You're a music artist like me, I'm sure. If you're watching this video, I want to shoot a video for every single song that I make, because I know that it would make people like the video more. It would bring more flavor. They'd understand the song more. They'd understand me more if I made a music video. They could see me, and it just adds to it, right? Because it has that visual element. It makes every song feel stronger and more capable of blowing up and spreading. I know, I agree, and it does. It really does. But if you did that, it'd take a lot of time, it'd take a lot of energy, and it'd take a lot of money that you probably don't have. The same money that could be spent promoting your music or promoting the right song that deserves the video. Look guys, I have money, and I've learned over the years of releasing videos and shooting and editing my own music videos and spending the time and energy, I've learned you don't need to do a video for every song, and in this video I'm going to tell you why, and you're going to completely understand. You're going to save money, and you're really going to blow up faster because your money's going to be put in the right place. Before I had any money, I spent months saving up to get my Canon T4i. I still have it over there. That was 2013, because I was like, you know what'll take me to the next level? Shooting my own music videos. So I taught myself how to shoot videos, lighting, color correction, all that stuff. And you know, it's been 3-4 weeks shooting a video. I shot Friends and Enemies, and then I also shot my God-fearing video, which, where if you've seen X, where he's hanging from the tree, you know, rest in peace to him. That video that he did was an exact replicate of my video, which I'm sure inspired his video. Maybe not from him, but from whoever created the video. And I did that with no money in my pocket because I had to get creative. But those videos took me weeks of my life where just doing that was the sole focus. And you can't waste time on that stuff right now. And you especially don't want to waste the time learning how to shoot and edit all your own music videos, because that will take you some serious time to do it by yourself, especially unless maybe you have my how to shoot music videos with your cell phone and edit them course, which is still take you about a month and a half to really get the hang of. So let's get to it. In this video, I'm going to tell you and show you what the record labels, the major labels, actually do for their artists. And you can do it too before you decide to make a music video. Spend the money, the time, and the energy on it, okay? I'm Rob Level, this is Smart Rapper, and I'm going to save you time, money, and energy, and all that stuff, as I usually do with these videos. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell, because I'm releasing videos all the time, alright? You about to get smarter right after the intro.
If you making money, I could put you on my team. Yeah, I got that hustle and maneuver. Talk that trash, I'll be back, but I'll be with my shooter. My paint gets scratched, don't want that, I drive by from the Uber. Dip and dash, hit the pad, burn like Freddy Krueger.
So the number one reason why you should really not shoot a music video yet is it's extremely expensive. Not only is it expensive to hire somebody else to do it, but if you don't know how to do it yourself, you're going to have to pay them every single time you want to shoot a video. Because you'll save up and not even be able to get gear that's that great. On top of that, you're going to have to learn what gear you actually need. Meaning you have to learn about cameras, then you have to buy lighting, you have to buy all these other things. That same money you're spending on video gear can be spent buying your home studio equipment, which is far more important for a music career. Am I right? I mean, that camera was $700, and the only reason I was even able to afford that is because I traded in something that I had. I sold it on Craigslist for $300, which was something else that was very valuable to me, but I wanted to get to this. That was only $700, but I could have bought a microphone for that. And next, on top of you having to shoot your own music videos, you're gonna have to find a friend, which means you're gonna have to rely on somebody, which I always hate. You have to find somebody to actually hold the camera for you, and just hope that the friend you choose does not have shaky hands, because I've let too many people hold my camera, you know, and they're like nervous because it's the first time they're doing it, and it just ruins the video. Okay, anyways. And you might even say, Rob, you don't even follow your own advice. You just released your new single, and you put out a lyric video, and then you released Everything You Are Not, and you put out a music video. You didn't even put a lyric video out for Everything You Are Not. And hey, guess what? You're right. Either way, that video already has over 500,000 views in 2 weeks. I don't care, whatever, shut up. But here's the thing, is that the music video footage that was used on my new single, Dip and Dash, that video footage is actually extra, behind the scenes footage that we were never gonna use of another music video. And most people don't realize that. We used footage that was never gonna get used, laid it behind it, and put lyrics over it. So take that as a really great tip for something you can do, because it's just B-roll. And then Sutton, my creative director, put the lyrics on the bottom. Which brings me to another point of why you shouldn't shoot music videos, and this is a mistake that I made last year. I've shot 4 music videos in the last year and a half that have not even dropped yet for songs. And I spent money on all those videos, like well over $1,000. Some of them are $3,000, some of them are $5,000. The one that just released, Everything You Are Not, I wrote this video script before I had released that, but I just released that this week. But I flew to Chicago and paid for the venue and did all that stuff. I had to go to Chicago to do that. And that was shot last January. It's now June of 2020. So I've had that video for a year and a half. because I thought that I was gonna release it next. And that was a mistake. And while yes, I had an extra music video in the background, locked and loaded, ready to go, while that's great and everything, that energy could have been put into a song that was already ready to be out. I could have did that for any of my new songs, could have did that for Shark Tank, could have did this for whatever, could have did this, that. Instead of spending energy on that and flying to Chicago and spending all that time preparing it and getting everybody, that was one of the mistakes that I made. And I don't want you to make that mistake. If you start looking at things differently, and really though, I was forced to release that song because I had already shot a music video for it. Even though I love the song, obviously the song's freaking really good, but what if it was a song I shot a video for that I somehow didn't like later? You can avoid this mistake by just listening to this video. Also, I shot my music video with Dax, the Black Mirror themed music video for my song with Dax. We shot that last March. Okay, so it's been over a year since we shot that footage. I still haven't released a song. I've been too busy building Smart Rapper for you guys. Now I'm back in artist mode, 100%, songs are coming out. But again, just sitting on video footage, spent money on video footage, getting teams of people, hiring casting, Jesus, man. Now, number 2 reason why you should not release music videos yet is it's extremely time consuming. And I kind of touched on this. Not only saving and learning the skill sets, but the amount of time that it takes you to organize everything. Get the people, get the props. Hey buddy, can I borrow a car? Hey, can I da-da-da-da-da? Can I do this? Can you get over here? It's too much work. It's so much work, and that's gonna take away from you actually making money over here or you making new music over here. And even if you're a rapper who wants to shoot just a cheap, low budget music video on the street, shoot it, da-da-da-da, still takes time to get people together, still takes time to location scout and find those places. Why do that? It also doesn't include the 2 weeks you're gonna spend editing the video or learning how to edit it or finding somebody to edit it and paying that person. And that brings me to number 3, which is the most important part that you need to understand here that's gonna help you excel faster. And that is, you don't even know if this is the song that deserves to have a music video, the time and the energy and the money spent on making the music video yet. So here's where you need to do what a record label does. Wrong song. Here's where we get to the part where I have to explain to you, we have our egos involved in every song because it's art that we created from creativity and the vibrations that we had when we made the music. Of course you like the song. The thing is this, is that it doesn't matter if you like the song, okay? If we're talking about you gaining a fan base, what matters is that your fans like the song, that other people out there, outside of your brain and your head and your own little world, like the song. You have to let the people out there tell you if you're actually crazy thinking that this is a great song. Because you can love the song all you want, but if the fans, the people out there are not loving it, they're not spreading it, that means that you're gonna waste this time and energy making a music video that no one's ever gonna watch. And it wasn't worth the time and the energy. That same money could have been spent on the better video, on the right song, as well as marketing dollars on the right song. You get me? And I've made this mistake a bunch of times. And when you do spend all this time and energy making a video for something, and then you do put a lot of your eggs in one basket because that's all of your money, and if it doesn't go, I'm telling you right now, and I've experienced this numerous times, it's a massive blow to your confidence as an artist. It's a massive blow. Because it's not just I released a song and we fuck with it. Because you could say I didn't fuck with it because there was no video. But if you put out a song and you put out a video, that was ultimate effort, okay? That's like you really went in on it and you believed in it. And then if it doesn't show the results and the views and people ain't really messing with it, that hurts. So avoid that blow to your ego by doing what the labels do. What labels do is what I do and what you should be doing too. And that is, and you go look at any artist, Roddy Ricch, let's go look at Katy Perry, go look at anybody, Selena Gomez, Justin Bieber, anybody. We're talking about superstars. They wouldn't do this with superstars who make tens of millions of dollars if they did not have a reason, business reason for them to monetize and make money, okay? What they do is they release a lyric video first for the artist. And this is basically a tester. So what happens is the label believes this is the single, but just so you do know, labels don't know. They don't know if it's the right single. They don't know how people are going to react the same way that you don't know until you release a song, like I just told you, right? They don't know until it's out. And that's another reason they'll spend all the money on a music video, because they can have a lyric video made for less than $10,000 that looks absolutely incredible. Okay, you spend money on a music video, it's $50,000 to $100,000. It's a whole different ball game. Okay, you gotta get people together, whatever. Or they can just hire an animator and make a lyric video. So what happens is, and by the way, you can make your own lyric videos for like less than $50, like it ain't nothing. You can make free lyric videos, whatever. But what happens is once the audience shows that they resonate with it and they really like it and the streams are doing well, they know, okay, we put more money into marketing this record. And then when the song's actually moving, they actually then release a music video as if it's a relaunch to get everybody more excited, to have a reason to go back to the song to hear it and then spread it with friends and family and everybody else, right? Because what happens? You have two major pieces of material. You have a lyric video that they're promoting initially, that it goes out, people watch it, they understand every lyric, they learn every lyric from it, which is another benefit, and then they push that and it moves. And then what happens? Well, they're like, basically as if they're relaunching the song entirely, they then put out a music video to draw everybody back to the song, right? It's really smart, and this just happened. As proof. If you look at the song, Roddy Ricch, The Box, which was massive, #1 for how long? It was #1 how long before they released a music video for it. That song, it was out and released as audio for like 8, 9, 10 months, already exploding, already everybody was listening to it so much they were annoyed of it. And then at the peak, right when it was about to go down, they released a music video for it. They could have released a music video at any point prior to that, and they didn't. Why? Because they already said, oh, this doesn't even need a music video, it's moving. So they shot a music video and then released a music video at the very pinnacle, the very top of the peak, right when it was about to go down, in order to give it that extra boost to go back up. Okay? And chances are, and I can almost bet you just from thinking about it right now, they actually had that music video 5 months before they released it. They're like, why? We don't need to. We don't need to. It's going on its own. We don't need to. We're gonna save this for the end. I bet you money that's what happened. They probably had the video from the beginning. So save your money, save your energy. Let your fans decide for you. Release the song, prime it, let people see if they like it. If they like it, then spend the money on the video. You have to find your single. You can release enough songs. Which one's the main ones? And you'll see I did that. I did that for all my songs. You know, Wait Me Trap did it for Built Like This, right? Do it, and then I know, okay, this is a good single, this is a good single. Oh, they're not messing with that one as much as I thought. There's only one song I released that people didn't mess with enough, and I think it's because I overmixed it. I spent 3 weeks mixing the song, and I should never do that. I overthought every process of mixing every instrument, and it just didn't come out and give the energy and tone that I wanted to have. So I'm actually gonna remix that and just re-upload the audio and see if people mess with it. But either way, that doesn't matter. You guys can make your own lyric videos, okay? I have a lyric video course that is like a top-rated 5-star course, and you guys can get that if you go to smartrapper.com/lyric video. It shows you how to make your own lyric videos. And then inside of that course, I also give you all the pieces and the parts of a course that shows you how to make money making lyric videos for other artists. Because after hearing what I just told you today, you know that as a music artist, no matter the genre, you need a lyric video, right? Well, if you send people to this video, or if you just tell people, hey, you need a lyric video for this reason, this reason, this reason, I can make one for you for $50. You can make like $400 extra like a week making lyric videos, and I show you what to say to artists and how to find it, and I have tons of testimonials of people being, I'm making a bunch of money from this. Because people don't want to have to go learn the software. I teach you how to use Premiere. I teach you how to make templates. After you make a template, you can just use the same template, change colors in it, and sell it to every artist. Because all they need is a lyric video. You change the font, you change the color, they're never gonna know that you made the song for the other person. All that matters is they have a great lyric video. Nothing wrong with that. And you get better for yourself too, because as you make them, you can use the templates for your music, okay? So it's a win-win. smartrapper.com/lyric videos, okay? All right, keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top. Click the link below. Hit me with a subscribe. Please hit me with a comment. What'd you think about this? You know, did you already know this? Hit me with a like, okay? I'll see you guys again with another video real soon. Click that link below. Keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top.
If you making money, I could put you on my team. Yeah, I got that hustle and maneuver. Talk that trash, I'll be back, but I'll be with my shooter. My paint get scratched, don't want that, I drop by from the Uber.